My dear friends, today I want to talk to you about jealousy. Jealousy, no one considers as something uh, as a negative feeling, and normally in any circle, jealousy is not given the importance as a negative feeling which destroys the happiness of individuals or group of people. It's a negative feeling, and in our Christian circle it is considered as a sin. And if it is not considered as a negative feeling, like any other feelings, like anger, sadness, and fear, we feel that we should not become a victim to this feeling of jealousy. But one doesn't know that we can overcome jealousy if we understand and deal with it as a negative feeling. Any feeling can be got rid of from our subconscious level, whether it is collected in the past or in the future or in the present also. And what is jealousy? Jealousy, I would put it this way: my inability to feel good about others' advantages of any type, whether it is intellectual, economic, or even bodily, anything what others have better than me or more than me. And this inability makes me to feel bad about the other person. And the worst thing is that it makes me to become ready to do evil things towards such people. It may be my mother, it may be my father, it may be my wife, it may be my children, it may be my friend. So jealousy can affect me in my relationship with others. And if we go into the Bible, we see that right from the beginning, a brother could not tolerate his brother, and finally he ended up killing him because of the jealous feeling. And this goes on and on till the end of the world. And if I and every one of us does not give importance and accept that this is only a negative feeling, and if it is such, then we cannot escape by saying, devil is putting jealousy into me and devil is tempting me to do harm to others. I am yielding to my negative feeling, not to accept, not to be happy with others, whatever advantages they have more than me. Sometimes the richest man cannot tolerate another lesser rich man because of jealousy, all because of this inability to accept and to feel good that the other man has got this or that. And the worst part is that we hear many stories how people take revenge or how people do harm to others, even till murder of one's own closest relation. It can be even one of our own parents. The mind becomes so cruel if we are not ready to know and to accept. I can handle my negative feeling. I don't have to yield to what I feel, the way I feel. And the most important thing is that I should be truthful to my feeling. If I feel jealous about my friend or about one of my relations, I should be humble enough to accept that this feeling is there and I am feeling uncomfortable. And as we know, all of us know that lot of cruelty actions are done in the world only because of this inability to rejoice in others' greatness. So let us become aware that jealousy feeling is in my control, and I cannot simply escape by saying, oh, I could not, I didn't know that it was out of jealousy. The evil does not come from within without any previous sort of collection in the negative way, in the subconscious level. Why a small child feels jealous soon after birth? Why a small young animal feels jealous about his companions? So it is, in a way we can say, it is natural. No child goes anywhere to buy jealousy. No mother puts this idea into a newborn baby. A brother cannot tolerate another sister or brother being handled, caressed by his own mother or their own mother. As soon as a person sees the other one is getting what I am missing. So Jesus says, laugh with those who are laughing. It is easy to cry with those who cry, but to rejoice. And that's why Jesus specifically says, be laughing with others who laugh. And I don't think many people will find it easy to rejoice in other people's greatness, advantages, achievements, etc. It is easy for us to feel good if someone else is missing something, lost something, or suffering from one thing or other. And this is the negative feeling which we call jealousy, has to be considered by every human being, whatever belief one has, that my feeling or the natural so-called inability to rejoice with others' advantages. I have to deal with it. Otherwise, what happens? We become slaves to such feelings. And from us, many evil things come out of us. And we are surprised that how we could be so cruel to the one who is very close to me. And this feeling or inability to rejoice with others' advantages, that has to be dealt with in the purifying process of our own self. In the inner freedom process, one wants to be free from every negativity which curtails one's liberation feeling or liberation reality. I should not be a slave to any type of feeling. Not only lack of love or rejection feeling or a hurt feeling or inferior feeling. There are so many negative experiences one goes through right from the conception. So each one of us should become aware. We have many negativities which we have to purify in our daily life, and plenty of concentration is needed. And self-purification is not an easy business. And if anybody proposes something looking very easy or sounding very easy, please don't be very ready to accept such methods. Going into one's own subconscious level is an effort which requires plenty of concentration, plenty of hard work, plenty of time, and plenty of patience. I want to repeat again and again this point. Plenty of hard work and plenty of patience and plenty of real deep down desire to be a liberated person from the past negative experiences which I had gone through or I absorbed right from my mother's womb till today. And also I should be aware of the future worries. And there are many things about the future which also create negativities in each one of us. So we have to become more and more aware and see that we are able to feel good, feel happy at others' greatness, others' achievements. And if I feel I am unable to, that means I am having a lot of jealous feeling within me. So I should be humble enough and truthful to myself to go into this negative feeling of whatever type it is and become a craving person for self-liberation, not to be enslaved by any negativity, and especially the jealous feeling. So my dear friends, Please encourage your friends to subscribe